So, Eunan, what is on the agenda today then?
Right, Sorcha. Think big money,
Okay.
fast action, high stakes at Punchestown.
A day at the races. But I'm not dressed and I don't have a hat.
Oh no, you do. I've got you sorted with hat. We're going to Enva. Next stop on the road to Hillhead.
Oh, I get my hat on.
We're full of surprises,
Not
aren't
quite
we?
what I was expecting. Okay, so Enva, recent installation. Very, very recent. So they had their open day only a couple of weeks ago, didn't they?
They did.
They had the Irish Minister of State for Energy, the Climate and the Environment. I think he was a special guest at it, and there was a few special guests from CDE as well.
It was very interesting. Actually, nice to have the main decision makers at government come down and see an installation like that, isn't it?
Brilliant. 180 tonne per hour C&D plant.
Latest one in Ireland. Second of what soon be 3 in around the Dublin area. So
Wow.
yeah, looking forward to seeing this. Actually, I've seen the pictures, seen a bit of the detail on it, so I'm actually looking forward to getting down. So they're only running a few weeks, so I'll be keen to see how they're getting on down there.
And who are we going to meet today then?
We're going to meet William Phelan,
Okay.
commercial director.
Great.
Will's excited and keen to get in the back of the car and discuss this ProPress. So
Good.
here we are now, Sorcha. Hopefully Will is waiting for us here. I told him I'd beat the horn. It's worked every time so far, so.
Give him a beep.
Smile, happy man.
How are you guys?
Will, how
are you getting on?
Well, how are you?
Welcome to Walchestown.
Thank you very much.
Sunny Walchestown.
I know, yeah. Thanks for bringing the weather. Yeah.
I was on the promise that this was going to be exceptional.
It was.
Good weather.
It's warm enough anyway, yeah.
It's warm, yeah.
We'll take that.
But sure, look, we're used to water, so.
Yeah. That's what it's CD. So we're going to head up in here and have a look, yeah?
We will. So, it's busy, Will, isn't it?
We're very busy at the moment, ahead of our run rate where we should be at the moment anyway, yeah. But that's a good problem.
What's our route here then?
What's our route? So we're going to head up here, so we are, and what we're actually going to do is when you're making the effort to come down here, we're going to bring you down and show you the racetrack works, which we're after doing as part of our, I suppose, our community effort with Punchestown. The racetrack works that were in the background to we're in tie there. We're tied in with them, so we are. When we bought this facility in December 24. There was an agreement with Punchestown that we would do the racetrack, the longest mile, or they want to do a continuous mile racetrack, which Punchestown, you can stay over to the right hand side, don't have. And we've moved a lot of soil over and in turn created void space for ourselves. We're going to drive down there and just show you that, and just show you how close we are to the Punchestown racetrack as well, and you can see it in the background.
Maybe you'll be happy now. Sorcha was expecting to go to the racetrack when we were coming down the road today. And
I was thinking I forgot my hat.
I think you missed that. You missed that by about 2 weeks. 3 weeks is at this stage anyway, yeah.
So you acquired this from Walchestown Restoration, was it in 2024?
Yeah, so December 24. There was a pre-existing, we're going left here. There was a pre-existing wash plant here. It was a smaller one. It was washing around 120,000 tonnes a year, but there was a lot of breakdowns on it. And that's another reason for the CDE plant. We wanted turnkey. We wanted it that we had no issues with servicing and that kind of thing. And that's another reason we went with CDE, I suppose. They're on the island of Ireland as well. If there's any issues, hopefully they'll be resolved very quickly. We made a decision when we were purchasing this. The void space is important to us, the circular economy, around the sale of sand and aggregates. The business model was to install a new wash plant that washed everything that we're licensed to take in. We're licensed to take in 330,000 tonnes a year. And say out of that, as I was saying, we're washing 120,000 tonnes a year. The rest of it was going into the void space. You can see there on your right hand side, there's a new cell after being created. Yes. And you can see the racetrack in the background.
Very good.
Yeah.
And I suppose with acquiring Walchestown Restoration, then that added no one has to your repertoire.
We have our facilities in Portlaoise and in Greenogue in Rathcoole. There's capacity issues in Ireland. So obviously we saw it as a business opportunity, but also It gave us certainty. But we can offer a full service offering, so we can from the lowest levels of contamination right up to the higher levels. Straight in front of you is our cell for when we're putting in our soil. So the idea is that we're only going to be putting in our filter cakes in up here. That's cell 3 up there, yeah.
Very good.
There you are now. There's your ponds. These ponds, the water out of this is actually used for the Punchestown racecourse. So they have to have a stock of water available at all times to water the track.
And you're providing that back over for the racecourse.
So yeah, see that brown bit up there?
Yeah.
That's your racetrack. So we will drive up there, but that is the continuous mile up there.
But the racetrack's going to come past.
Yeah.
Come past us here.
It's going to come past. It's going to come past there, and it'll hit up there. So we have to tie in with Punchestown. We're working in community with them, in tandem with them.
But it is, it's that social responsibility.
Absolutely. It is a community aspect to it, soils and that, and it's given back to the community. The intention is that we can wash the capacity is there to wash about 380,000 tonnes. We're only licensed to take in 330, so there is a buffer there. So the intention is that everything is washed. Everything is washed, and the only thing that's going down to the cell is the filter cake. That's the idea behind. That's the business model, yeah.
And here we have recycled material that would otherwise be going into landfill, being used to build a new mile here to extend the racing calendar for the local community.
Yeah.
And at the same time then capturing all the water to make sure that they have their course in the shape and condition they need it to be. It's an exciting enough project to be involved in.
Another great visit, Eunan, plenty to see. But I will point out that the only thing running was the wash plant. There was no horses running there. I'm a bit disappointed.
But at least we were guaranteed a winner.
Well, that's true.
Aye.
That's
So-
true. That's true.
Some site, just given that it's a new site, Sorcha.
Very new.
Very new for the Enva team. Very new to have a recycling facility in that area. And probably the one thing that stood out to me was their social responsibility. Like that work they're doing with the racecourse to extend the racecourse, give the racecourse more options for a longer race calendar, which will inevitably give back to the community as well in terms of jobs, bringing in tourists, bringing in people who are spending money in the local area, and it's all been facilitated by Enva's recycling activity and wet processing. So yeah, just like all of these visits, we learn something new every day. We see another aspect of how our wash plants are helping not just the businesses that are invested in them, but the community around them.
I'll be interested to understand the racing calendar and how it works, because we're planning an open day at Enva later this year. So we'll need those dates.
Well, given the disappointment on your face this morning when I told you we weren't going to the races,
Yeah.
I'd be sure that you'll have it planned perfectly.
Great. Okay.
And again, we got to see more sales.
Yeah, great to see it all happening on the one side, isn't it?
Yeah.
And we might see Will at Hillhead then. He might join us on the stand.
With a bit of luck, yes, he's planning to come over, so
On to the next one then.
yeah, looking forward to it already.
Good, good.